Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Grindr app on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store right over here, go to search bar and type in Grindr simply and search it up. Then right away you will find this app, and this is the app that we're gonna download, and this is the app that we need. You can tap on this little download icon, and we just gotta wait for a while, and this blue circle will appear with the time on your right side. It will simply take that much of time for it to be downloaded and installed on your phone. Simply have some patience and wait for it. Once it's done being downloaded, you gotta go back and it will be listed right over here in the home screen of your phone. You can see it's downloading, so it's showing the loading option. Once it's done, you can open up just like you open any other app, and you can create yourself an account and you can browse through and simply use it however you would prefer. So that's basically how it goes. Hope this video helped you, all of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.